Alrighty guys, I'm just going to show you how to update the machine. In this case, it can be done straight through the machine. We do have an update to do. First thing to notice is that we actually are connected to the internet. This step does require internet connection. So you can connect to your Wi-Fi or hotspot. Recommended to be on Wi-Fi if you are updating the machine. So we'll just click this little update button up here. I'll just check see if there is any updates. Alrighty, it's found an update there, so it'll update the car key database, and it'll tell you the version that you're currently at and the new version as well. So that's the only update that's available. So all we'll do is click update. It's as simple as clicking update, and that'll update itself straight through the machine. Thanks guys.